It's been a long time coming, but this Taco Tuesday, it's all about my slow cooker beef roast tacos. Oh yeah, like food truck, but at home. Don't worry, there are no carrots, potatoes involved in the making of this slow cooker beef. Only all the fresh and simple taco flavors like garlic, peppers, and lime juice. This may be my new favorite way to make shredded beef tacos, and once you take a bite, you'll know exactly what I mean. Soft tortillas loaded with tender beef, fresh pico de gallo, avocado. I guarantee you won't be using chuck roast for classic beef stew for a while. I'm getting started by dicing the serrano and jalapeno peppers. If you're not familiar with serranos, they're tiny little peppers you'll find in the fresh produce sections along with the poblano and jalapeno peppers. These have a little more heat than jalapenos, so you can leave them out if you're serving this to the kids. You can also remove the seeds as well with a spoon to reduce the heat. So next, we're gonna place a chuck roast in the slow cooker and sprinkle it all over with our taco seasoning. All the chopped garlic, onions, and peppers go in there too. Over here, I'm gonna combine some tomato paste with water, lime juice, and we're gonna just whisk it. And then we're gonna pour this over the roast and veggies. We're gonna cover it and set it to cook on high for about 4 to 6 hours, depending on the size of your meat, or low for 8 to 10. Okay, this place smells like the beef is ready. And so let's check out if the beef shreds easily between 2 forks. And as you can see, it separates beautifully. It's tender, so juicy. I'm gonna keep it warm while I move on to my tortillas. If you've been here a while, you know that I just love to give my tortillas a good toast over an open flame, but you can always heat them up in the microwave or the oven. Now to assemble, all I have to do is top my tortilla with some of the beef, top it with cheese, some fresh avocado, and pico de gallo. Making your own pico de gallo is super easy, so if you wanna learn how, make sure to check out this video or also linked right below. Taco Tuesday is super easy to pull off when you have amazing recipes like this one from the Taco Tuesday cookbook. Man, you just have to try them. Links also below. Now, let's give this a try. This is one that you've got to make for yourself. The beef is so tender and juicy, and it has the perfect level of heat from those peppers. Make sure to check the links right below this video for the recipe details, the cookbook link, and more taco recipes. And while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button for a new delicious recipe every single week. See you next time.